Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. It's 6:45 and we're probably going to shut down things early, but I wanted to do a quick install of a screen protector on our 2025 Toyota 4Runner, and there are a couple reasons why you might want to do this. For whatever reason, people seem to get micro scratches on their multimedia display after a little while. Oops, turned it off. Let's turn it back on. Turn on. Okay, like I said, for whatever reason, especially I guess with off-road vehicles, people tend to get micro scratches in their screens. They might look great from the factory, might look good for a while, but for some reason, over time, scratches can develop. So let's protect it against that. And also glare. Let's protect it against glare, and we'll protect it against fingerprints. And the way we do that is we use a matte screen protector out of XPEL Stealth material. So what you'll get is this pre-cut template to install. And then you'll get a microfiber. You'll also get a squeegee. It won't look exactly like this, but you'll also get some Sticker Fab application fluid, and it won't be a big bottle like this. You'll get a little bit less, or probably around as much that's left in there. But what we're going to do is we're going to clean our hands, and we're going to clean this area. You can use some of that installation fluid to spray on there and clean that off. Spray the back of this as you take it off, and spray your fingers, and that'll help eliminate fingerprints. And let's get it installed. All right, so I'm going to kind of protect the dash a little bit. I don't want to spray it too much, but let's go ahead and spray that. Get in all those little cracks and crevices. We'll clean the immediate area too, so that dust doesn't get on there. All right, now let me spray my fingers a little bit. Then I'll grab this. If it's really hot in your vehicle and you have your AC on like I do, just make sure it's not up too high or kind of blowing the material around. I'm just gonna spray this so that all the extra fluid goes in my lap and not all over the vehicle. It's not that it'll stain anything, but I'd rather it just get on me versus the vehicle. All right, so spray. We want to be a little liberal with this. We don't want to skimp out on that fluid. If you have a second person, they can kind of hold a towel under there. I'm going to go ahead and spray this as well. I want it to get wet. So the more fluid you use, the easier it is to slide this thing around. So just FYI. Now there is a very small border going around here, and you kind of want to even up that border from left to right and top to bottom. It'd probably be easier to do this install if your screen is not really warm. Mine is warm from being out here on the sun all day. So usually I tell you guys the temperature outside, it's 89 degrees. So it's been warm most of the day. Let me get that squeegee. Let's see if I can just get the top to lay down straight. I want to be very gentle with this because it is warm. It can stretch out the material really easily. All right, so if I get the top laid down, I can actually pick it back up. And then let's push it down through the middle. Pushing really gently on that. And let's get the side. You can see all those bubbles come out. Let's get this side. So a lot of the times I like to divide it in half and also kind of push at angles. You can see it's not perfectly straight right here, and this is mainly because it was warm inside the vehicle. So if you can keep your vehicle in the shade the whole time, that would be the best. So just gently work everything down, and then you can work on the smaller bubbles, applying just a little bit more pressure here and there to get those out. Don't press down too hard. You'll start stretching out the material like you see in my install, but over time, a lot of these smaller bubbles will just disappear. So you really don't have to work on them too hard. Just don't leave a ton of them on there. And cut. All right, and there's the final product. If this was not on the screen, you could probably see my reflection, but it kind of just mats out everything so that the reflections aren't really harsh at all. You'll just see a very light spot. And then it doesn't really get fingerprints on it, and it will protect it against light abrasions. So if you want this or you need it for the 14-inch screen, please visit my site at stickerfab.com. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. Oh, by the way, this also fits Tacoma as well.